Full stop is not a real end in our life. Otherwise, while writing, we can use the full stop. So full stop is not a real end, because after the full stop, we can start, we can enhance, or we can write new sentence. In the same way, same case applied in our life, failure is not an end. We can start. Failure is the real beginning of our new success. So if you want to become the successful, that time you don't stop at the failure moment, because if you are stuck at the failure moment, that time is the real beginning of your success. It is the new era of your success. So don't stop at the same place. You have to start, you have to enhance, and you have to embark your new journey. So guys, look, if you want to become the successful person, that time you should have to apply the rule in your life. First is the dedication, second one is the discipline, and after that guys, you have to do the hard work and smart work. Look guys, there are so many students came in our academy and they just say, sir, we can read English, we can write English, but we can't speak English. So look guys, this is the humble request to all of you. Speaking English, writing English and reading English. Reading and writing are another concept. If you want to become the fluent English speaker, that time you have to do the practice. Practice means there are two types of communication. First is the verbal communication, second one is the non-verbal communication. Verbal means with the help of words we have to speak, and non-verbal communication means with the help of actions, means sign language, expression language. This is said to be the non-verbal communication. So guys, with the help of both methods, you have to communicate. While speaking guys, you can use the mirror method, otherwise you can start the speaking. You have to first create environment regarding English language. You can use the words, you can use the vocabulary. Day by day guys, you will get the fluency. But you have to start, you have to do this. Don't store English knowledge in your mind. You have to, with the help of that tongue, with the help of that face, with the help of your voice, your sound, you have to speak guys. For example, if you want to ask someone for something, then you can use the WH words. Because then you know all the rules and regulations, you know the structure, how to use it. There are 6 types of sentences. First is the assertive, then interrogative, then negative, then interrogative negative, then WH interrogative, and then WH interrogative negative. These are these 6 types of sentences for speaking. So assertive sentences are those sentences which are used to give the positive information. Interrogative questions are used to ask the questions. Negative questions give the negative information. Negative interrogative questions which are used to interrogative negative question. WH, with the help of WH family we can create the WH positive and WH negative question. So guys, you have to prepare that 6 types of sentences while asking someone. So look, here is one of my students Suraj, and another student name is the Swapnil. If they want to communicate with one another, that time you have to use the method of question and answering method. Questioning and answering method. Question. You have to ask the question, whatever the little question you can ask. You can use the speaking methods like little words. With the help of words, you can use the English language. Language means guys what? Look, till you have been learned English as a subject, you have just achieved this code. That's why you can read and you can write English well. But if you can't speak well, that time you have to do the practice. Practice makes man perfect. And guys, look, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Just you have to create a positive environment, and you have to do the more and more practice. Practice makes man perfect. With the help of practice, you will be the orator of English language. Practice, practice, practice. So guys, do more and more practice, and with the help of practice. So what is the practice? Which practice we have to do? Practice is, you have to do the practice of speaking in front of mirror. You can stand in front of mirror. You have to take any topic, like small topic, the use of mobile, regarding your family, regarding yourself. Then you have to just take the little bit topic. In my description I will share 10 or more than 10 topic. Simple topic you have to choose, and with the help of that topic you have to speak the English. So you have to enhance, you have to start the practice of speaking. In front of mirror you can stand, otherwise selfie mode camera you have to start, and in front of that camera you have to speak. This is the beneficial method regarding the practice. So guys, little bit you can use the more and more, you can use words, you can use the vocabulary. With the help of that thing you will be the fluent English speaker.